how can you make this kind of money without any investment? Well, I'm going to share everything with you in this video and show you how you can make money online without investment. Now, this is the method that I currently do, the method that I teach, and the method that anyone can literally copy and implement right now. I'm going to show you other examples of people doing this, and I'm going to explain how easy this method is to earn money without investment. Now, if you go on YouTube and you search here, how to make money online without investment, all of these videos, they might be decent, they might have some decent information, but what they really miss is they miss practical examples and they miss giving you step-by-step instructions on what you need to do. A lot of these videos are just kind of made so the owner of these videos can make money. When you go ahead and search make money online on YouTube, often what you'll get is people giving general advice on methods which are designed to pull at your heartstrings, and they're designed to make you think that you can make money very easily with this new AI bot, right? So a lot of these videos are just going to be a load of rubbish, to be quite honest. So I'm creating this video to show you a method that I'm currently doing right now, and I'm going to explain everything that I know in a short and simple tutorial format. So the method that I currently do to make this kind of money every single day, a couple $100 every day, is what I do is I create short and simple tutorial videos about social media and about various topics online. Now, if we go ahead and go to my channel and we go to videos, you can see I create videos on Wix, YouTube, Canva, CapCut, Facebook, and I create these very simple 1 to 8 minute tutorial videos. In these videos, they're just screen recordings like the one you're watching right now. And what I do is I give information to people who are already searching for these search terms. Now, I make money through YouTube in a very simple and easy to scale way, and that is just by sharing very simple pieces of information. Now, if I go ahead and search on YouTube, how to delete Facebook account. Now, this is a keyword which is probably going to blow you away how much money and how many views this video gets. So I've searched on YouTube how to delete Facebook account. And if we look here, the #1 result has 1 million views and it was uploaded 2 years ago. You've got more videos here, you've even got me ranking as well. Now, if we go ahead and click on this video, 1 million views 2 years ago, this video is getting 157 views per hour, and this is just from people searching on YouTube how to delete Facebook account. Now, 1 million views is going to earn someone in total around $3,000 just from this one video. And the funny thing is, this video is now going to get views every single day that people search for this key phrase, because people are going to search how to delete Facebook account. They're going to click on this video and watch it. And you can see, if you just look at vidIQ, it's getting 157 views per hour, which if we just do some quick maths is 157 times 24 hours, because people are searching this every single hour. This video is getting 3,000 views per day. Times that by per month, it's getting 113,000 views per month, which is incredible, to be honest. It's pretty groundbreaking, and that's just from one video. Now, this is the method I do. I'm calling it the search-based method, because what you do is you create very simple tutorial videos and rank them on YouTube for different search terms. So there are many channels doing this. You can see you've got Geeks Tutorial, Guide Realm, you've got me, KnowledgeBase, and people are creating these tutorial videos for literally every search term that you can think of. So if you go ahead and search like how to Facebook, and then you type this little underscore, you've got how to delete your account, how to change your name, how to lock your profile, how to change follower settings, how to deactivate account, how to hide your friends list. So let's just go ahead and search here, how to hide your friends list on Facebook. How to hide your friends list on Facebook. Now you might be thinking, well, I don't really know how to make this video and actually hide my friends list on Facebook. And to be honest, with these how-to YouTube channels, there's only one way to do it. So what you would do is you would just watch a video which is already ranking and then recreate it and then get it to the top page of YouTube. So this has got 102,000 views in 5 months, and it's gaining views every single month. Now let me just go ahead and show you one of my most popular videos, which has been making me money for years, right? Because when you upload videos using this method and you upload them and try and rank them on YouTube search, they gain views for years. So we'll just go ahead and I'll just open a random video, how to upload photos in Google Drive and share the link. Now you can see this has got 437,000 views, which has made me $759 over the years. Now, not every video is going to rank, not every video is going to get views, but if you upload a video and just wait and you're patient, videos will start to get views and they will start to make you passive income. So this video gets about 700 to 800 views every day, and it makes me now between about $1 per day, and that's going to be around $30 per month. Now, if you've got 100 videos making you $30 per month, then you've got a $3,000 per month passive income stream. Now, you probably have a couple of questions here. How can I make these videos? And how exactly do they even make money in the first place? So people make money on YouTube because of the YouTube Partner Program. And if you go ahead and create a YouTube channel, you can go to the monetization settings. So if you go to earn, you'll see here, I'm a YouTube partner and I can get paid. I've got everything set up. Now you can get it set up as well. All you need is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watched. Now, once you've reached that threshold, and the only way to reach that threshold is just by uploading videos, like I'm doing now, I'm creating videos, you can then put advertisements on the watch page. And whenever you play a video, you'll probably notice there's advertisements that play before it. Those advertisers will pay YouTube to put their advertisements on videos, and then YouTube will give you a cut of that money for essentially getting the views right to that advertisement. And that is why this money will come in every single day. If we just look, last 365 days, if you've got consistent views all coming in from YouTube search. So if we go to advanced mode, traffic source, all these views come from YouTube search and external, which is Google search, which means people searching for these videos. If you have views coming in from these two sources, you're going to have a very consistent income stream which you can rely on, right? And this is going to be, in my opinion, one of the best ways you can make money online without investment. Now, the only thing you need to get started with this, and I'm giving you free game here, like none of these other videos, they're not giving you this game, they're just giving you general advice. So if you've watched this far and you actually want to start, the only thing you need is this right here, this magical program, obsproject.com. Now, this is a free open source piece of software which allows you to record your computer screen. Now, if you're watching this, you either have a phone or a computer. You can either create phone videos or computer-based tutorials. Now, I'm using it right now to record, so you can see here is the software. I've been recording for 9 minutes. And what you would do is you would just record, and you would record videos which people are searching for. So you would go to the search engine and you would type in how to _ or just how to and then a, and you'll have all of these search terms come up, and you can go ahead and find some of them. How to add music to Instagram story and create these videos. How to add music to Instagram notes, to Facebook profile, to your YouTube video in CapCut. These are all video ideas that you can create based on what people are searching for. Create these videos in OBS Studio by recording your computer screen and just creating a little commentary over it. You don't need a crazy mic, you can use your laptop mic or a cheap $10 mic from Amazon. Now, I'm not going to drag this video on any longer, but if you want to learn more, I'm releasing a course very soon, and I'm also uploading free tutorial videos on how you can do this method. I'm calling it the search-based method, and you can see I go more into detail here about how this actually works and how long videos take to rank. I'm going to link this video right here, the overview of the method, on screen right now. If you click on it, it will take you to that video, and you can go ahead and watch that video. That's been my method, what I would recommend to you to make money online without any investment. If you want to try it out, and I'll see you in the next video.